What if you had an IIoT solution that could deliver real-time insights into the key metrics to optimize your supply chain and business? EcoStruxure Plant Lean Management is a unique digital tool that collects all data for the KPIs used in the lean manufacturing short interval management cycles. It allows to follow up on efficiency actions so that everyone, from the staff on the plant floor to the top management, can have complete access to all factory information.
La solution EcoStruxure Plant Advisor est au centre de notre dispositif d'animation journalière de nos performances. Elle nous a permis d'améliorer la performance de notre site de 4 à 5%, ce qui est très important pour un site mature comme le nôtre. Nous avons gagné en agilité avec la possibilité de créer, adapter des indicateurs dès notre premier niveau d'animation de la performance, celui qui est fait par nos opérateurs, jusqu'à notre 5e niveau d'animation de nos performances, qui est une synthèse hebdomadaire de nos performances au niveau de l'équipe de direction. Mais également et surtout en réactivité avec la possibilité d'escalader dans la journée les actions prioritaires.
Each employee can have real-time visibility into the escalation of issues until they are fully resolved.
Cette solution est utilisée tous les jours par 100% de nos collaborateurs, que ce soit nos opérateurs, nos team leaders, sur l'animation de la performance, au niveau d'un îlot de production.
Les employés voient leurs problématiques partagées avec le top management et peuvent avoir une réponse rapide. Cela a un impact fort sur la motivation et amène aussi un côté fun avec l'application.
Schneider Electric has equipped more than 200 global supply chain sites with EcoStruxure Plant Lean Management. Its automatic KPIs for process efficiency have led to faster and more robust data collection with deeper analytics, including 12 months of historical data.
Nous pouvons consolider et partager une quinzaine de KPI au quotidien et aussi de façon hebdomadaire.
Pour nous, au Vaudreuil, EcoStruxure Plant Advisor, c'est un pilier clé de notre programme de transformation digitale, simplement parce que l'on veut être en mesure de décider plus vite et mieux. Cet outil-là répond aux besoins des collaborateurs dans les secteurs de production, mais également dans les services support à la production, c'est-à-dire santé, sécurité, qualité, supply chain, méthode maintenance, par exemple. EcoStruxure Plant Advisor nous permet de respecter nos engagements vis-à-vis de nos clients, premièrement, puis nos objectifs économiques internes. Les impacts de EcoStruxure Plant Advisor sur notre activité sont multiples. On a des ambitions, notamment en productivité par exemple. Pour nous, l'ambition c'est d'améliorer tous les ans d'environ 7%. Et ce que l'on va surtout chercher à faire, c'est d'accélérer la capacité de voir et de décider pour améliorer.
And because it's an open, scalable solution based on a Viva Data Hub, it can also be connected to energy management systems.
L'usine a été reconnue en 2018 par le World Economic Forum, qui a reconnu son programme de transformation digitale. Et puis encore récemment, puisque c'est le mois dernier, le World Economic Forum nous a reconnus comme Lighthouse Sustainability.
EcoStruxure Plant Lean Management brings tremendous benefits with productivity and safety gains and a significant increase in sustainability to our customers.
So you saw a little introduction video. I'm going to give you a bit more details of EcoStruxure Plant Lean Management, which is one of our IoT applications to increase the efficiency of manufacturing plants thanks to lean manufacturing best practices. So basically, you have seen a video from the Schneider factories where we use this solution already in all our 200 factories and distribution centers. So the solution has been really largely scaled and used in all Schneider factories in the world, and our global supply chain is really recognized as an expert in sustainability and supply chain efficiency, and we have a very strong practice of lean manufacturing. A lot of experts, more than 400 experts, let's say on the domain expertise and lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. So thanks to our expertise, we have put in place methodologies to manage the manufacturing with short interval management meetings from the shop floor up to the plant management. This diagram explains two different scenarios of companies who will be not mature or mature in using lean manufacturing principles, and in particular short interval management, which is by essence the way to assess the performance of manufacturing environment and take actions to either solve an issue or be proactive to avoid an issue. So the short interval management is one of the key principles in manufacturing to, let's say, to meet the performance target of the manufacturing. So on the left, a company will not be good on lean manufacturing, will assess the performance of its KPI in a non-regular way, and it may happen that they don't have the information, they don't have the right people to understand their situation and if they are performing right or not. And if there is any divergence on the performance, they will discover it late. We'll try to take an emergency corrective actions, but it's too late to reach the target, the performance target. On the right, we have a scenario with a company following the short interval management principles. They will have regular meetings. They will check their performance. Everyone is present. They are prepared. They know the performance. If something is wrong, they take the right actions. They assign the actions to someone with a due date, and they follow the actions until resolution. If the action cannot be solved, then they can escalate the action, and all the process is made to be seamless, so they will escalate the action potentially up to the plant manager, and the process is already prepared for it, and the objective is to keep the performance of the manufacturing facilities. So our solution, called lean management, EcoStruxure Plant Lean Management, is actually digitizing these SIM meetings. That's the objective, to empower the users to be more efficient, to take actions and escalate these actions if needed. So that's the objective of the solution. It's powered by Connect, the data platform, the industrial data platform developed by AVEVA. So Connect is an ecosystem where everyone can publish the data in a cloud, and then everyone can consume this data to provide domain expertise or analytics. So in Schneider, we leverage Connect to provide the domain expertise, such as the lean management application. So by essence, the objective is really, as you could understand already on the video, to enable the lean manufacturing, to help the users to save time and manage shift and over activities, but not only shift and over. We have, let's say, a full suite of scene management meetings managed from the shop floor up to the plant management with a hierarchical manner. So everyone is involved on the lean manufacturing best practices, from the shop floor users to the plant management. And the goal, the ultimate goal, is to improve the operational efficiency. You have seen in the video the Schneider factories, they have a target. They have a target about 6%, 6-7% of productivity increase every year. So this application is already providing them a significant gain of up to 5% in operational efficiency. And so it's empowering the users to take smart decisions based on, let's say, a digitized solution and a methodology for solving issues faster than before. And our solution is a SaaS pre-packaged solution, ready to be used, ready to be scaled within different factories, so it's accelerating the digital transformation. So a couple of examples from the solution. So you will see on this demo what will be, for example, a meeting managed at the shop floor level. So a short interval management meeting managed as a shift handover meeting between operators of two teams. One team is arriving on the shop floor to take over the manufacturing operations. The previous one is going to leave, but before they regroup together to assess the performance of the previous shift. They see KPIs. So on this example, we have a couple of KPIs who are not at the right, target, and they can decide to take actions to improve the performance of some of the wrong KPIs, the bad KPIs. So on this case, we have a scenario where we'll create, we see some downtimes. There was a downtime on the filler machine, logged from an MES, so this is automatically collected and displayed, and the users will take an action, will say investigate on the filler machine, there is a nozzle jam issue causing a time lost due to cleanup. So they will assign this action to the maintenance owner with a specific due date, and this action will be followed by the system until its resolution. This second example is a second level of short interval management meeting that will be managed by line managers, operation managers, production managers, maintenance managers, quality managers. They will regroup together in general on a daily basis to assess the same thing, to assess KPIs, performance at a higher level, which is aggregated for all the lines of the production area. So before we were on one specific line because it was the shift handover, but now we are on a full production area, the cone manufacturing. So these guys will review the KPIs for the cone manufacturing of the previous day. On this example, we see one KPI, which is a giveaway. It's an extra weight put in addition to the nominal weight of the ice cream to make sure we deliver the ice cream on the right quantity to follow the regulation. We have to sell the ice cream with the right quantity, right weight. So they give a bit more, but it's too much, so the company is losing money because they lose raw materials. So they will check if it's for all lines. They can check the giveaway KPI, and they can see the chocolate line lost 21 grams since the 20th of November. So they lose 1 gram. So 1 gram multiplied by millions of cones, it's costing some money. So they will take an action to say let's decrease this giveaway quantity. And so they will take an action, and they say after the last recipe change, the new giveaway is higher than the threshold, and they take an action to solve this issue. So someone will have to fix this and change the setup to reduce the additional quantity we produce and reduce the waste of raw materials. So that's logged on the system. The action is visible on the system. It's assigned to the maintenance leader. It should be probably to a production manager or a quality manager, but it's for the example. And then, if for any reason these people are not capable of solving the action, they can escalate the action, and the action will be visible on the next level of short interval management meeting, potentially up to the plant manager. So that's it for the demo. As a recap, let's say the conclusion from Schneider using this solution is a massive impact in terms of productivity. The solution helps the users to improve the performance by 4 to 5%, and there are 70,000 users connected to this cloud solution in Schneider in all the 200 factories of Schneider. So it's a massive use, very impressive number of people using the system in all the continents every day. One of the, let's say, the lessons learned is that it's, of course, improving the performance of the manufacturing facilities, production sites, but also it's motivating people to increase this performance. So it has a positive impact on the motivation on the employees. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.